Hello everyone, you are welcome to chemistry class, and I'll be talking on the oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction. We should know that oxidation and reduction takes place in every chemical reaction, and sometimes oxidation and reduction actually go in hands together. In every reaction we have an element or a compound that is undergoing oxidation while the other one is undergoing reduction. So I'll be giving us 5 definitions with explanation of oxidation and reduction. So the first definition is that oxidation is the addition of oxygen, while reduction is the removal of oxygen. So oxidation is the addition of oxygen and reduction is the removal of oxygen. Now let's look at this chemical reaction. So let's look at this chemical reaction. When carbon reacts with zinc oxide, it forms carbon dioxide and a zinc metal. So if you notice something here, that oxygen is being added to carbon. In this place, there is no oxygen here, but oxygen has been added here. So we say that oxidation is occurring. So this is oxidation, addition of oxygen. So oxidation is the addition of oxygen. Now in this place, if you notice in zinc oxide, there was oxygen before here in the reactants, but when it becomes a product, there is no oxygen again there. So it is undergoing reduction. So don't forget that oxidation is the addition of oxygen and reduction is the removal of oxygen. And then let me quickly tell you about the concept of reducing oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agents are being reduced. So let me explain what I just said now. You know that carbon here is undergoing oxidation. It has undergone oxidation. So any element of copper that has undergone oxidation like that is called the reducing agent. Reducing agent. While the one that has been reduced, zinc oxide has been reduced, it is the oxidizing agent. So don't forget about that concept. So any compound or element that is undergoing oxidation is the reducing agent, while the one that is undergoing reduction is the oxidizing agent. So the second definition of oxidation and reduction is that oxidation is the removal of hydrogen, while reduction is the addition of hydrogen. So this is the second explanation of oxidation and reduction. Oxidation is the removal of hydrogen, but reduction is the addition of hydrogen. So let me quickly show us a chemical equation now. So that is, if we have H2S, that is hydrogen sulfide with chlorine. What we have is HCl plus N. Is the balance. Okay. So if you notice something here, that oxidation is occurring here. And why is oxidation occurring here? We have H2S here, but the hydrogen in this hydrogen sulfide has been removed. So you get what I'm saying? The hydrogen here has been removed. So from here to here, what is going on here is oxidation. So oxidation is also the removal of hydrogen. And this Cl, this chlorine molecule, if you notice that hydrogen has been added to it. So we say that reduction is going on, because reduction is the addition of hydrogen. So let me quickly give the third definition. Oxidation is the addition of electronegative elements and removal of electropositive elements. While reduction is the removal of electronegative elements. So electronegative elements are being removed in reduction, and addition of electropositive elements. So oxidation is the addition of electronegative elements and the removal of electropositive elements, while reduction is the removal of electronegative elements and then the addition of electropositive elements. And then the fourth definition of oxidation that we have is oil rig. Let me call it oil rig. And what this means is that oxidation is loss of electron. So oxidation is loss of electron, oil. Then reduction is gain of electron. Oxidation is loss of electron, and reduction is gain of electron. So if you see any chemical reaction, the moment you are seeing that element is losing electron, just know that oxidation is occurring. And if it is gaining electron, just know that reduction is occurring. Then the fifth one, oxidation is the increase in oxidation number, while reduction is the decrease in oxidation number. So oxidation is the increase in oxidation number, and reduction is the, assuming that we have something like this. What is happening here is reduction. The Oxidation number of zinc here is 2 plus 2, but it's now 0 here. So there is a decrease in oxidation number. I hope you understand. But if there is an increase, something like this, before the oxidation, you can see that minus, and this one is now 0. If you don't see any oxidation number there, it means that the charge on it is 0. So from minus, we are from minus to 0. So oxidation is occurring here, increase in oxidation number. So this is reduction, and this is oxidation. So thank you very much. We'll continue on this topic. I will give some example soon, and that example will help us more in our understanding of oxidation and reduction reaction. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.